Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Vivo Y72 5G and let me share with you how to enable night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, let's enter the settings because we will begin with customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So if we are in the settings, let's tap on display and brightness, and as you can see on the third position we've got eye protection mode, so which is simply an eye comfort mode. So of course you can turn it on without any customization just by tapping on this switcher, and as you can see the screen changed a little bit. It is a yellowish, let's say, so you can keep it like that, but if you'd like to customize it, just tap on this eye protection option, and as you can see here we've got the options which we can customize. So for example, we can schedule it, we can set it from sunset to sunrise, so your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise is, or you can turn it on at custom time. So if you'd like to turn on the sunset to sunrise, just tap on this switcher. If not, turn it off the same way. If you'd like to custom time, just tap on the switcher again, and as you can see we can pick the start time and end time. After tapping on start, we will be able to pick the hour from this clock. So all you have to do right now is to simply pick the hour. I will pick the midnight, for example. Let's tap on OK. Let's tap on end also, and here you will be able to pick the hour. Let me pick, for example, 8 o'clock. I know that the hours are strange, but it is because I would like to show you that the screen automatically turned yellowish. Of course, it is because we are between start time and end time. What's more, we can change the intensity of that feature. It's really up to you how you want to set it. By going to the left with the switcher, we can make it much cooler. It is almost invisible right now, and we can go to the right in order to make it much warmer, and right now it is almost orangish, I would say, or amber. So of course it's really up to you, as I said, which option is the most comfortable for you. I will leave it like this, but let me turn this option off and let me keep it always on. So this is actually the whole customization of this feature, and if you'd like to have much faster access to it, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar fully in order to find this icon eye protection. And as you can see right now, it is obviously turned on, it is highlighted, and the screen is still yellow. Of course you can turn it off just by tapping on it, and as you can see the screen immediately turns back to its normal state. Of course you can turn it on the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to manage the eye comfort mode in your Vivo Y72 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.